$60 copay and then another $125 for a contact lens fitting. Then they gave me these sunglasses because it makes my eyes sensitive to sunlight. I'm just gonna go make a return at Kohl's and then head straight back home because I'm so hungry. I'm dead. It says the name of the eyeglass store on the side. Hi! Hi! I think I have leftover tteokbokki in the fridge. For dinner tonight, I'm going to one of my favorite Japanese restaurants. It's here in Queens called Beat Mazasoba, and I've only been there once and I've always been meaning to go back, so I'm pretty excited. They have the best noodle dishes and appetizers, honestly. They didn't have this last time. Oh, it's open. This is the best here. That looks good. I'm heading out into the city today, going to SoHo. I'm actually meeting my friend for dinner. We're going to a sushi place called Domo. They're pretty popular and known for their hand rolls, but that's not until 6 p.m. so I'm actually going to a cafe to get some work done, and then I want to stop by the new polene store in SoHo because I've been eyeing their micro bags for a really long time and I just want to check it out and see what color I end up liking. Also, it's raining. There's actually supposed to be a pretty big storm today, but both me and my friend were looking forward to this dinner for such a long time. Thankfully, it's not that cold. Oh my god. It's like 2:20 right now and I still haven't had anything to eat. So I'll probably eat something at the cafe. My bangs are all flattened out now. Work and now I'm on my way to Polene. There it is. Guys, this is so freaking cute. I got it! I got the last one in stock and I was so excited, but I couldn't film inside because people were staring at me. My hair came into Lululemon and I really wanted to try their fleece. Why is it so soft? So I've been thinking about getting the new Apple headphones for a really long time, and I'm gonna stop by the Apple store just to try it out and see how it fits. Oh my god. Wow. So it's next day and my house is actually really messy right now. First, I'm gonna clean up the bathtub. I'm so hot now, I have to change out of the sweater. So I don't know if any of you guys are pet parents or have dogs, but this is really part of my morning routine. I usually prepare a stuffed Kong and Maui's lick mat for the day. This looks a little disgusting, but it's frozen blueberries and sweet potatoes mashed up. Put some water in her kibble so that it's easier to spread on. And this is just regular, non-fat, non-flavored, plain Greek yogurt.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Ooh. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? Danger.
I also decided to make slow-cooked butter herb chicken tenderloin using my crock pot. This is the greatest invention for dicing garlic. Ta-da! So easy. So I have a mixture of parsley and thyme, salt, butter, baby carrots, potatoes, and garlic. I have my chicken. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. So right now it is 11:23. I'll check back in a few hours. It's like really sunny. So I just went out to have lunch with my sister, but before I came back home, I picked up something from the bakery. It's like sweet potato, but it's actually bread inside. I saw this a lot in like Korean Instagram, so I thought that I would only get to try it when I went to Korea this year. But I'm surprised they had it. It was $7 though. I'm gonna open it up. This is what the inside looks like. Actually, I think the inside is sweet potato. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It's so cute. And I'm drinking calpico. Also, I wanted to show you guys what I ended up picking up from Polene yesterday. Here's what the box looks like. This pouch is so cute. Ta-da! Isn't this so cute? Oh my god. I wouldn't wear it with this top, but it's so cute. It's literally so tiny. Let me know if you guys would want a full review video on this Polene micro bag, and I can also show you guys what fits in a future video. I recently got these at-home lash extensions in the mail. I'm gonna go for these 10mm ones. And they give you this special glue to bond your natural lashes with the extensions. Do you guys see a difference between this eye and this eye? For me personally, I like a more natural look like this one. I just thought I would mention it if you guys are into lash extensions as well. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm thinking about doing another holiday gift guide video soon, just featuring a lot of my favorite products. So if you're interested in that, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!